Hey there, welcome back to the Review Scout. Today, I'm reviewing a software that can help you create a highly profitable affiliate store for the holiday season. It's called Aixmastore, an AI-powered app that makes it super easy to set up an Amazon affiliate store themed around big holidays like Christmas, New Year, Valentine's Day, and Halloween. And the best part? You can do this in under 60 seconds without any monthly fees or complex setup. So, here's how Aixmastore works. It's built for anyone wanting to tap into the holiday e-commerce market without needing to invest tons of time or money. With just a few clicks, Aixmastore will create a fully loaded store featuring over 2 million of Amazon's best-selling seasonal products, and it's all organized into various categories. So your customers will easily find what they're looking for. And with popular items already preloaded, you don't need to worry about finding products that people will actually buy. This app has already done the hard work for you. One thing that really stands out with Aixmastore is that it has a built-in, automated traffic tool. You won't need to pay for ads to drive traffic to your store. This tool helps bring in visitors for free, making it a perfect choice if you want to keep costs low and maximize your profits. Plus, Aixmastore even includes a commercial license, which lets you create and sell these holiday-themed stores to clients, opening up an additional income stream. Imagine offering clients a fully functioning, seasonal Amazon affiliate store that can be set up in minutes, perfect for anyone looking to make a quick entry into e-commerce. What's even better is that you don't need to handle any hosting or domains. It's all cloud-based, so there's no need to download anything, and you get free hosting. That's a huge bonus if you're looking to keep expenses down and get started fast. And for content, there's an inbuilt ChatGPT-powered tool for creating descriptions and visuals, meaning your store will look polished and professional without you having to lift a finger. With Aixmastore, you're getting a fully optimized store ready for mobile, ensuring you don't miss out on any potential sales from mobile users. And there's a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it out without any worry. So if you're looking to dive into holiday affiliate marketing with a store that's designed to bring in traffic and sales, Aixmastore could be your go-to. Check out the link in the description to learn more, and don't forget to subscribe to the Review Scout for more insights on tools to help you grow your online income. Before we wrap up, I have an exclusive bonus for those who decide to enroll using the link in the description. If you sign up for the software through my link, I'll be providing a set of valuable ebooks on making money online. These ebooks are packed with proven strategies and insights that can help you maximize your income and discover new opportunities. Once you've enrolled, just send me a message on Instagram with proof of your purchase, and I'll personally send you the ebooks as a thank you gift for trusting this opportunity through the Review Scout. These resources are designed to help you get ahead, whether you're just starting out or looking to grow your online income. Don't miss out on this chance to gain valuable knowledge and an amazing remote job opportunity.